The Class 12 examination of the Meghalaya Board of School Education 2021 began smoothly at 10 a.m. today at various centres across the state amidst strict observance of COVID-19 protocols. Head of Education institutions said that the students were allowed to enter the examinations after making sure that the candidates have observed the COVID-19 protocol issued by the state government, including washing of hands, using of sanitizers and wearing of masks before entering the examination hall. The students writing the examination were also told that they should wear the masks during the examination. The observance to COVID-19 protocol is to ensure containment of the spread of coronavirus, particularly in view of the rising trend. The examination halls were opened at 9:30 a.m. The question papers were distributed to all the candidates at 9:45 a.m. and the answer scripts were distributed to all the candidates at 9:50 a.m. The students were seen writing at 10 a.m. The examination began with English subject to be followed by sociology, geology and entrepreneurship for commerce students. Speaking to the media, the principal of Synod College, R.M. Lingdaw, said,
Examination time right before time, and that means there's no rush. That means and the examination also go on smoothly. The offline classes, since now we are having the newly promoted class 12 student. So for the smooth functioning of this ongoing examination of the MBOs, so we have arranged like in the afternoon the online classes for the newly promoted class 12 student.
On the other hand, the Vice Principal of Presbyterian High Secondary School, L. Lingdaw, said,
HSSLC examination 2021, and the examination starts at 10 a.m. and we follow the protocols as given by the government, and in our school there are around 160 students, but out of 160 students who came for the examination are around 154, and 6 of them are absent. Yes, the examination started smoothly, exactly at 10 a.m. and the students, they came here around 9:30. Before the start of the examination, all students have to follow the protocols as given by the government. Like they have to wash their hands, sanitize their hands,